Good afternoon, Frazier here with TreasureAutoSales and hashtag Frazier's Friends. Today I'm going to be doing a video walk around of this 2011 BMW 328i. And just like in all my videos, we're going to do the outside. We'll do the inside condition and features. I'll turn it over, let you see the dash, all the lights, let you hear it run. But first we're just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. But as you're seeing, I'm getting both angles for you. You'll be able to see if there's any dents, dings, dimples, things like that. Just got this one in. Actually fairly low miles for a 2011, just right about 100. Drives great condition. I mean, it drives super solid. Tires are dang near new, if not new. This drives extraordinarily solid. Straight as an arrow. All right, we'll get to the inside condition and features. Unlock it here. Open this up so you can see around it. So, power windows, power locks. Get the condition of the leather, a little bit of wear on the driver's seat, nothing horrible. No funny smells. Don't see any rips or tears. And rear air, very low road noise. All right, steering wheel controls. And it has automatic windshield wipers, media center for the BMW professional media center. It does have the aux available in here with the USB, auto dim rear view mirror. All right, let's go ahead and turn this over. There is a mileage, as you can see. Oh, looks like we have a light out, and we'll see that here in just a second. This just came back from detail, so I'll get back to the shop and have them take care of that. All right. Well, guys, hopefully this helped answer some questions. You know, if there's anything that we may have missed, or you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video, walk around, frankly, whatever we can do to help accommodate, facilitate, just reach out, give us a call or a text. My contact information is in the description below. We do deliver nationwide, including Hawaii and Alaska. And if that's an option for you, I can get you over a link to one of our shipping partners. You can get an instant quote, again, to either your home or office. I do want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. We'll see you next time, guys.